How to make the most of airport layovers. Traveling around always sounds fun. The excitement to explore new places and cultures is unmatched. But in between your flights, you can always face a dreaded layover. Some might consider hours of waiting for the next flight at the airport as the dullest part of their adventure. But what if we tell you that you make these layovers one of the most productive and exciting parts of your trip? No matter if you are planning a trip for the first time or you are traveling frequently, layovers can be opportunities for you waiting to be unlocked. We welcome you to today's video, which is a guide on changing your airport downtime as one of the most memorable moments of your journey. This is exactly where 7 Seas Holidays steps in. We are well known for our experience in creating unforgettable vacations for our clients. We are here to guide you on how to maximize every moment of your journey, even if it's the time you spend between your flights. So, if you always wonder what to do in those idle hours, sit tight and be prepared to be inspired. 1. Explore the best airport amenities. Currently, airports are more than just places where you wait for hours for your flight. The top-tier hubs such as Tokyo Narita, Munich International, and Singapore's Changi Airport are like small cities in themselves. In Munich, you get a brewery just at the terminal, while the Singapore airport offers you to wander around a beautiful butterfly garden or enjoy the rooftop pool. You can use your time of layover to avail the options these marvelous places have to offer: art installments, spa treatments, and even live performances. 2. Step out and explore the city. Stepping out and discovering a new city should be considered exciting if your layover is more than 6 hours long. Many airports, such as Doha and Istanbul, provide you with guided layover tours where you can explore the nearby attractions of the city. From visiting Hagia Sophia in Istanbul to the beautiful futuristic skyline in Doha, a quick trip around the city during your layover can make your journey just more memorable. But please make sure to check visa requirements and leave enough time to return through security. 3. Recharge with rest. Travelers can get exhausted for layovers during long-haul flights, and many airports have now made special consideration for such travelers. You can look around for day rooms and sleeping pods at the airport for a quick nap. The International Airport of Dubai offers luxurious lounges to relax, and Helsinki Airport is famous for its cutting-edge sleeping areas. To get the ultimate recharge, always carry a sleeping eye mask and earplugs with you. 4. Savor the local cuisine. Dining at the airport doesn't always mean eating fast food. There are many international airports where you can find local cuisines that provide you with the taste of that country before you step out of the terminal. Just as you can experience the taste of dim sum at Hong Kong International and tapas at Madrid Barajas. Exploring the options of various culinary tastes can make your layover at the airport a flavorful experience, all while giving you a glimpse into the culture of that country. When planning your layover, why leave it to chance? With 7 Seas Holidays, you'll have access to insider tips and expertly curated itineraries, ensuring every part of your journey is as enriching as the destination. Visit 7 Seas Holidays to elevate your travel game today. 5. Stay active and healthy. Waiting and sitting straight for hours doesn't leave a good impact on your body. What's great is that many airports have now recognized this fact and offer various ways to stay active for you. Such as at San Francisco, you will find yoga rooms to stretch out yourself after long flights. Or in Zurich, you can have a brisk walk through its airport's scenic walking trails. Staying active will keep you fresh and able to combat the next leg of your journey. 6. Plan your next destination or activities. Layovers can be used to organize and map out your journey. Search about the must-see destinations of the country, dive into travel guides, or open 7 Seas Holidays website for the inspiration that you need. Planning while layover can help you save a lot of time, plus you will get excited for what's next. 7. Make the most of duty-free shopping. Are you a shopping freak? Because we consider layovers a perfect time to discover and explore duty-free stores. From regional specialties to luxury goods, airports often provide unique items at decreased prices. Just take care of your local customs regulations and carry-on space. With the perfect planning and mindset, layovers at the airports don't always have to be tedious. You can use them as an opportunity to relax, explore, and get a taste of your upcoming destination. Whether you're taking a quick nap, tasting local flavors, or enjoying world-class amenities, you can turn your airport downtime into an adventure of its own. So, whenever you are planning your journey with Seven Seas Holidays, always remember that even dull layovers can be an unforgettable part of your journey. Visit our website right away and let us guide you to make each moment countable. Because traveling is all about the long journey, not just the destination.